Hi guys, what's cooking? I'm Melody Holmes and I'm going to show you a lunch option that we have from our food pantry. Today we are going to do fried rice. So these are some of the ingredients that you need. Rice, your choice of seasonings. We have garlic seasoning and we have onion powder. You can also do salt and pepper to taste. We have your canned vegetables, but we also have frozen vegetables. You usually can use your cooking oil of choice as well. You're gonna need maybe a couple utensils to cook. And optional, you can have soy sauce, sesame oil, and your choice of protein like chicken, shrimp, beef, your choice. So you're gonna first start by boiling your water. Cut it up on high to get it boiling. Then you're gonna open your rice and you're gonna cook as directed. So just a little secret, if you always have trouble cooking rice or things of this substance, what you're going to do is simply turn your pot on high, let it boil, and then you're gonna add your substance, turn it down, and place the lid. So it should be done cooking in a few minutes. But the next thing also that can be optional, I love eggs. So I add eggs to my fried rice. I don't know if you do, but that can be an option for you as well. And I already have vegetables already pre-made. So I'm gonna add this to my pot once my rice is done cooking. Another thing, as your rice and vegetables start to cook together, and I will add the vegetables just momentarily, you can go ahead and use a wok or a regular just saucepan to go ahead and get your protein started. Our rice has cooked down. So typically what we're going to do is just give this a little swirl. And here's where I would add your choice of seasonings. Again, you can add salt and pepper to taste. We have onion powder, and we have garlic powder. At the end is where I would put the soy sauce, right before your protein, your sesame oil, as well as any additional protein once it's done cooking. So you have your rice, and typically what you're gonna do next is add your vegetables. Once you add your vegetables, again, this is optional. You can choose to add your egg, your cooked egg, and your optional meat. So we're gonna let this cook a little bit. You're gonna place the lid on just a little bit. You're gonna turn the eye down. And let's check on our rice. And there you have our fried rice. Again, your options are to add additional sesame seed oil, soy, and also your additional protein of choice with eggs.